ArtOfSpeedd.
What up, good people? Today's video is sponsored by Auxtio. These is some LED lights that they sent me to try and put in the vehicle. Basically, they sent me some LED lights for my license plate and my trunk light. Only thing I'm gonna do is pop these on and see the difference between my normal lights that I have and these LED lights. So these LED lights supposed to be so brighter than the other lights. We'll see. You know, in this thing I'm using a pocket screwdriver to pop the license plate light out. So I use a little pocket screwdriver to pop it up. Boom. Pocket screwdriver. Pop it up. Open these up. Put them on. Pop it in like this. Boom. Got the LEDs. This is the LED, and then it's just the halogen. Yeah, I'm thinking about might as well swap them all out. Let's go.
I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate. You won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more. Take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance. My last dance. I don't wanna let myself down. Myself.
I'm really impressed. I like it. I like it a lot.